Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through the process on how to hide likes on Instagram. Recently Instagram has added a new feature where you can now hide likes on all of your Instagram posts, whether it be a normal post, video or reels. Now in order to hide it, head over to the app of Instagram and tap open any of the posts that you want to hide the like, and tap on the three dots on top, and there you'll see an option of hide like count. If you tap on that, your like count on your posts will be removed. You can also do the same for videos or reels. So that was the easy process on how to hide likes on Instagram. If you guys liked and found this video to be helpful, then make sure to share, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this.